A lot of people think that they understand money, that they understand personal finances, but when they actually look at their personal finances, they have no idea what they're looking at. They don't have any clue about their cash flow, their debts, anything like that. So I'm going to show you 3 signs that shows that you understand money. So understanding money goes way beyond simply earning it. And here are some signs that demonstrate a deeper understanding of money. And number 1 is smart financial decision making. And what do I mean by that? Just like I was talking about in the beginning of this video, budgeting is huge. Creating and adhering to a budget is a fundamental skill to growing wealth, to understanding money. It involves allocating income to various categories in your pockets, such as necessities, fun money, savings, debt repayment, and understanding the importance of living within one's means and controlling impulsive spending is key. Spending priorities is another big part of smart financial decisions because those who understand money prioritize needs over wants. This is something that I struggle with as well. So people that are good at this make conscious spending decisions by differentiating between essential expenses and discretionary ones. This pretty much just shows that you are recognizing any unnecessary spending in the sense of it hindering your long-term goals. Financial decision making also includes setting financial goals. People with financial understanding set both short-term and long-term goals, whether it's just simply saving up for an emergency fund, a vacation, a down payment on a house, or retirement. Having clear goals can help you guide your financial decisions and encourages disciplined saving and investing. So the second big sign that you understand money is debt management and reductions. And this is a little bit more higher up, but the first thing that I want to go into is strategic use of debt. So financially savvy individuals know when to use debt strategically. I actually started taking advantage of this, pretty much using my HELOC as like some accelerated banking, where I'm using myself as my own bank, or my house's equity as my own bank. So what do I mean by this? People that have strategic use of debt. So these people may take on debt for investments, and those investments have the potential to appreciate over time. Like I was talking about, that could be such as a mortgage for a property that could generate rental income, or some sort of education that enhances earning potential. Next part of debt management is, of course, paying off any high interest debt. Understanding the cost of high interest debt is huge, such as credit cards. Credit cards are like 20%. And those who comprehend the compounding effect of interest understand that prioritizing paying off these high interest debt is needed to get to your financial goals. So just like how a lot of people talk about compounding interest on making a lot of money, credit cards could do the reverse and sink your ship. So prioritizing high interest debt repayment is key. It has to be done quickly. And when you get that out of the way, it'll also save you a whole bunch of money in the long run. And lastly, on debt management and reductions is just avoiding bad debt in general. So distinguishing between good debt and bad debt is pretty simple. Good debt is pretty much debt that could give you returns, give you gains. And bad debt simply just takes money out of your wallet, and it offers little to no, and it pretty much offers no return at all. So avoiding unnecessary consumer debt and high cost loans is key to stay away from for debt management and reductions. And lastly, the third sign is building and sustaining wealth. That is the third sign to show that you understand money, because when you're doing this building and sustaining wealth, that means you're investing, and diversification is the first topic that I want to go into on building this wealth. So a solid understanding of money includes knowing how to diversify investments. This involves spreading that investment money across all different assets. Stocks, bonds, real estate, crypto, and commodities will definitely reduce the risk and optimize returns. But also you have to do your research before going to any of those, because for me, I personally just do real estate, stocks, and crypto. And then multiple streams of income is definitely needed to show that you understand money. Just having one source of income is not going to cut it, not going to get you to financial freedom. So individuals who comprehend money often create multiple sources of income. This might include passive income from investments like dividends or rental income, royalties. And it could also mean just so you have side hustles, side businesses, YouTube, a second job, overtime. So in having multiple streams of income, this helps provide stability and helps accelerate wealth accumulation. And the last part of building and sustaining wealth is having long-term financial vision. You need that long-term financial vision to get you to where you need to go. You need to kind of see where you want to be to make that path to get there. You don't know how the path is going to look, but you see the end goal, or you know what the end goal kind of looks like. So those that understand money prioritize their long-term financial well-being over short-term gratification. And again, I struggle with this as well. I like nice things, and those nice things every now and then set me back a few $1,000s instead of going forward a few $1,000s. So some of the things that are included in long-term financial vision includes contributing to your retirement accounts and investment portfolios, even if it means sacrificing immediate luxuries. You don't need that super fancy car. You don't need that super luxury watch. You could get all of those things when you're financially stable, when you're financially independent, and at the place that you want to be. But on the way to get there, you don't need any of that because you have goals that you want to get to. And these big purchases, these luxuries need to be sacrificed now so you could have better things later. But I'm also not saying to not celebrate your wins. You should definitely celebrate your wins along the way. Just don't go too extravagantly where you actually set yourself back. And guys, I'm personally not there yet at financial independence, but you just got to remember that financial understanding is a continuous learning process. And these signs that I went over with building sustainable wealth, debt management and reduction, and smart financial decision making represent a foundation of financial literacy. So again, it's important to keep learning about money matters and adapting your strategies as your financial situation evolves. So again, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Keep investing, and I will see you guys very soon. Peace.